Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Love 500 and welcome back to Project Thomas. Just a short update. Based on the last couple of videos, as you know, this car only had 2 videos. Based on some comments that were made on here, I've done something. Let me show you what I've done. And there it is, that's what I've done. The door is now level. So I bowed to your annoyance and I've sorted it out. Let's show you how I did it. So you know what we're talking about, don't you? We're talking about this door. So I've already shown you it done, hopefully. Obviously, I've done the videos in the opposite order, obviously, because I haven't done it yet. So what I've bought is this. This little gadget. It comes with 3 heads like this. What you do is I've seen these being used on YouTube or something similar to them. Big chunky bit of steel. That bit goes into the striker plate and that bit goes into where into the lock. And then you give it some of that and it allegedly works. So I fitted this one, which I've just tried on a different car, and I know it works. Well, I know it fits, I should say. I just want to make sure we're getting it all in the video. I think I might be better off putting the camera on this side, actually. Let's try and get it all in. Right, so what we do is we put that into the lock, like that, which I think that's in. Put that onto there, and then what we're meant to do is lift. Now we don't know how much we've got to do it. Better, a bit better. We'll see if we can do a bit more. Like that, and like that. Obviously, we've probably got to move the striker plate up as well. Like that. Yeah, I can tell we've got to move the striker plate up a little bit. So let's go and get the tool to do that. I know this was bugging some of you. Didn't bother me, but it was bugging some of you. So I thought, you know what? Let's do it. So I got the tool on eBay. 59 quid, I think it was. So if we just move this up a little bit, because I can feel it, because it's gone up a little bit, it's catching on it. So we need to tighten it up, move it up. Right, that's better. Oh, that's it. Maybe just a smidgen more. A real smidgen more. Good bit of kit, this. Ow, 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 ow. That was me knuckles. That hurt. Yes, that'll do. That is now level. Well. As you can see, that is now level. I think that needs to move up the car a little bit. I might take it off and move it up a little bit, but that is much better. And it's spot on now. So it wasn't much, was it? But just enough to be annoying. And quite clearly it annoyed some of you. So it's done now. So 1 or 2 people said don't be lazy. No, actually only one person said don't be lazy, fix the door. But a lot of you said that door would really annoy me, you need to fix it, blah, 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 blah. And I knew that would happen. I knew I would get those comments, just knew it. See, I know my subscribers. It's done. So hopefully that will please you all. I'm just going to take that strip off and move it up a little bit. The only other issue to report on here was this situation with stereo, with the radio not coming in the forefront. Now I thought I'd sorted it out. I'm not sure whether I have or not, and obviously I'm not keeping this car, so I was going to say only time will tell, but it will for the new owner. But I'll let them know about the situation and what you have to potentially might have to do to get the radio back in. She may not even use Apple CarPlay. I don't even know if she's got an iPhone. So anyone else that's bought this stereo and has tried it, let me know if you got round this, if it's been an issue for you. If you don't know what I'm talking about, click on the link above, and that will show you the video where I thought I may have sorted it out, but I'm not really convinced I have. When I switched the car on today, it is displaying the radio and playing the radio, and it's not going to CarPlay. I don't know if that's because I've quit Spotify on my phone. It might be, but it didn't go through the startup procedure for CarPlay. So probably what I would need to do would be to go, I mean, it does do it, usually do it, but if you press on T-Link 5, it will connect. That's how you connect it. I mean, it should do it automatically. Obviously, if you've got a USB cable as well, you can do it wired as well. That might be a better way of doing it, potentially. Yeah, that's it, basically. So I don't really know whether it sorted it or not. Hopefully it has. At least we got around the RDS thing. We go back to our radio, we listen to Heart, we can listen to Capital. The only thing it doesn't do is on there, it doesn't show the RDS there for some bizarre reason. Don't know why. It just shows the frequency, but if we go into there, it does show it properly. So hopefully that's the end of that. So I would like a round of applause from everybody, please, just because I did the door. I bowed to your annoyance of me not doing it, and it does look better. It does look better. So yeah, that's it. It was just a quick update. I'm just going to whack this back out on the road. As I say, the person's coming to pick it up in a couple of days' time. Got a nice half tank of petrol for them as well, which is quite nice. So that is definitely the end of this project now. It will be going, I've got another project in front of me, which you haven't seen the video for yet. You will probably be seeing that next weekend. That was delivered a couple of days ago. So that's it. Yeah, as always, don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, hit that button, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up. Until the next one, as always, take care, stay safe, and we will see you soon.